Want to use PayPal directly from your Apple Wallet? Here's a quick guide to connect them in just a few steps. First, open your Apple Wallet app. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new payment method. Now, select debit or credit card. This is how we'll link your PayPal account indirectly. Then tap on continue. You'll need the PayPal Cash Card or PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. If you don't have one, open your PayPal app, go to Wallet and request the card. It's free. Once you have your PayPal card, enter the details manually or scan it using your iPhone's camera. If you don't have a PayPal debit card, unfortunately you can't add PayPal directly to Apple Wallet. Only users with a PayPal card can link it. Apple Wallet doesn't support direct PayPal account integration. It works only through the card. No PayPal card, no Apple Wallet access. So if you want to use PayPal on Apple Wallet, make sure to request your PayPal debit card first.